In this video, we are going to look at how Python knows a string, or how we can tell Python to look at a single position inside of string. We'll also be looking at how to count words in a given string. So let's begin. First of all, let us take a variable a and assign it, let's say, health as the string. Now we want to see the third alphabet in health. So we can easily write print a, then square bracket. Square bracket means location or position for Python, that is index. So if we want the third alphabet, we'll write 2 because the counting for Python starts from 0. That means H has an index of 0, E 1, A 2. So A is the third alphabet, and so here we go. A has been printed. Similarly, we can just continue doing so whichever we want. So now let us go on to see a different method to print all of this. Let us say fruit is equal to apple. Then using for loop, for letter in apple, print letter. Now it should print one by one A, P, P, L, E. Let's check. Name error. Okay, for letter in fruit. Here we go. A, P, P, L, E. Right? What if we want to count the number of alphabets inside of this string? So what we can do is count is equal to 0, another variable. And then whenever a letter has been printed, count should add 1 to itself. Count plus equal to 1. And finally print count. So here we have it, 5 alphabet. Okay. And if only we want to count, we can skip the printing step and directly we have 5 alphabet. The string could be changed. Apple is a red fruit. So here we have it. Also remember, Python also counts space as 1. That means the counting increases when space comes. Next, let's try something else. Guy is equal to Batman is in Gotham. Now I want to see how many A's are there in this. So let us count first of all Batman. So 2 A's in there is in Gotham. Gotham has 1 A. So total 3 times A has occurred. How will Python do this? So let us again define count is equal to 0 for letter in guy. If letter is equal to A, then we want the count to increase by 1. Plus equals to 1. And finally, after the loop, we want it to print number of A's in string is, and then our output. Right. So let's check if this works. Number of A's in given string is bravo, it's 3. We could always take this as an input also. String input write something. Once we run it, let me write I live in India and I know this counts as. Thank you. Anything. So number of A's in given string is again 3. A, and A. Let us check if capital A and small a are different. A and A. Yes, they are different. So here only one was counted because small a has occurred once. A, B, B, C, C, A. So 4 times A. So 4 times A should be there. Yes. Also, if we want, we can count the number of words inside the given string. Instead of counting number of A's, we can tell Python to count number of spaces. Also, we'll add 1 to our total count because we know after the last space bar, we still have one word. So we need to add 1 to our count. Now let us execute this program and see if it works well. Tony Stark is the best. So we know we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words inside this sentence. Let's see what Python has to say. Number of words in given string are 5. Perfect. Awesome.
So this is all for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. Thank you.